Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Hey y'all, it's Kim Mock here, and today is going to be a hair video. It's going to be a hair video. It's been a while. It's been a minute, but we're back with the hair videos. This is crochet hair method. It's giving inches. But yes, if you've been here for before, no. Wait. If you've been here before, then you already know what it is and what's up. And if it's your first time, come join the club. It's lit, okay? So yeah, this is crochet hair, like an island boho type of twist. This is the texture of the hair. This is 28 inches. And I hope you guys enjoy.
Okay guys, so let's get into this tutorial. You're going to take one piece of the hair, close the needle, push it through one of the cornrows. It does not hurt, so yeah. Then you're going to close the loop and pull it through again. So now you're going to take the ends and you're basically going to connect the root with the crochet loop to the end of the hair so that you could push the end of the hair through the loop and, you know, get your knot. You're going to close the needle again to secure the end, and then you're going to pull it through the loop. It's literally so easy. Okay, so again, you're going to put the needle with the crochet loop, close the needle, bring it through the hair at the scalp, then connect the loop to the end of the hair. Make sure you close the needle first and then put it through the loop and then connect the end to the needle. Close it again. And then you're gonna just put the end through the loop and then bring it up all the way to the root of your hair and tighten it. And that's it.